What's going on, everybody? This is Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel. Appreciate you guys tapping into the video. We got an unboxing for you here on the White Thunder 4s. Label on here reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, white, black. This is a size 12 that I was fortunate enough to get from JD's exclusive access. And man, listen, it's a surprise what happened with this shoe, or what didn't necessarily happen with this shoe. But here we go, Jordan 4 White Thunders. And I have to say, I'm pleasantly surprised with the QC on here. Very nice, very happy with it. Shoe looks great, all black uppers all the way around. The nubuck material is really clean. Now I did take a brush to these because they were a little bit on the fuzzy side. I had a lot of white fuzzies and stuff like that, so I brushed them, you know what I mean, using that level 2 Rejuvenator brush. And the one thing you're going to definitely want to use there is this Rejuvenator water and stain repellent on this type of material to protect your kicks at all time. Use my promo code down there, WYK26, to save yourself 10% off. Back to the shoe. Let's get into this review, guys. I mean, listen, here it's just a plain black white sneaker, you know what I mean? It's not anything crazy special, but I will say this, due to the fact that it is all black and white, much like the Panda Dunk craze that happened a couple years ago, these being the 4 silhouette, which everybody is trying to get their hands on for the most part. And then that they're black and white, they go with pretty much all outfits you can think of. A lot of people, especially trying to get their hands on these for back to school. And unfortunately, there's a lot of L's for people out there that took on this shoe and they're waiting for them to restock, and they kind of trickled in here or there. Retail on these was $215, and even the GS sizes, I said they were going to move, and the GS sizes are hard to come by as well. So hopefully when they do finally come out with some of those restocks, guys, you'll be able to go ahead and get yourself a pair. Now, this is part of the Thunder series, and I do have the black and yellow pair here, which is the original Thunders. The only pair I don't have are the red Thunders. That's one shoe I missed out on, and maybe I'll be able to pick those up at some point. And then next year we're supposed to be getting, I guess they're going to call them the blue Thunders, even though they're giving us that red Jumpman on the back. But the Thunder series is, I'm not mad at it. I definitely like this series, although I do think maybe, I don't know, it may not last as far as people loving the shoes like that. But so long as they give us the dope looking colorways, you know what I mean, it should be all right. But these here in particular, the caging on here actually is pretty thick, which my guy Mr. Think I'm Possible pointed out, you know what I mean. Catch him and myself along with the other crew, my guy Purple Haze, NJ Elevate, on Saturdays 9 a.m. Eastern for that One Pair at a Time podcast channel. But these here in particular, I can't hate on these whatsoever. You got that Jumpman down there in the insole foot pad, and got a little bit of white there in the toe area, you know what I mean. And man, now some people talked about taking these and making them Black Cats, but we also got the announcement now we're supposed to be getting the original Black Cat 4s to release there in 2025. So I would say wait, go ahead and save up your money, guys, and just get yourself the OG pair. Don't turn these into some fake Black Cats. Don't do it to yourself. These here in particular, let me know if you were able to go ahead and get your hands on a pair. I think these obviously are a great sneaker to have. And if you passed on them, it's all good because there's so many other shoes dropping. And mind you, next month we do have the Jordan 4 Alma Maniers that are going to be dropping, and everybody is definitely going to be trying to get their hands on a pair of those as well. But these here, I would rate these a good, I would say 6 out of 10. And the reason why I say that, because there's not anything overly special, you know what I mean. It's a black white Jordan 4. Now granted, Jordan 4s right now are the creme de la creme of the sneaker game for whatever reason that may be, but hey, it is what it is. But these in particular, like I said, they don't move the needle for me emotionally, but I can appreciate the shoe and the cleanliness of it, the QC of it and all that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to overly hype how great these are, even though they're a really nice shoe to definitely have there in the collection. Please smash the like button for me if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in a moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.